More holiday clearance. Yes, after the holidays, lots of clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way to rush the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, lots of good stuff. Alright, so we got this on sale. This is still on sale. It's to about one more month on these. $129 for the oscillating tool, battery, and chargers. It's a pretty good deal on these. Definitely some decent tools. I do own something similar to this. Do own the Atomic. I really do like the oscillating tool. Got a mechanics tool set, 29 piece, down to $14. Just keep in mind, they're only including a few sockets. You got Cobalt Cut A3 foam nitro dip gloves, $10.98. You got some sort of cut protection on those. Don't trust it though. Dual hex key set, $10.98 down from $14.98 to 12-in-1. This is very interesting. What they did here, nice leverage. However, I do prefer a power tool, but where you don't have any power tools, maybe a tool bag for the truck, this would be nice. I just like the screwdriver type better. It's just, it's faster. Alright, so you got some Cobalt tool bags, really nice tool bags, down to 32 from 39. Yes, I'm still waiting for this to drop, hopefully. You got the camel backpacks. Now these, they're hard to find now at the stores. They're rare to find. So there's a few here. I'll show you guys what they look like through the inside. It's really nice. The laptop space there on the back. Got some more power tools or more little pockets for the power tools or for the hand tools. 36 pockets. It is camel on the outside. And then you got some nice thick rubber there at the bottom base. 49 down from 59.98. It's pretty good. 34.98 for the mechanics 50 piece. This is 1/4-inch dry SAM metric. Now this is pretty nice. I still think it's kind of small for the price. But it's decent. Yeah, this is the way the gift center looks. Pretty much, we got some nice discounts on some of these tools. They got the homeowner set here. Basic $79.98. Not really a discount on this one, so obviously look out for the discounts. $129. This one's down from, I believe, $199 or $179. Router table combo. And this one's down to $9.98. Of course, nobody wants these. They're gonna be dropped even lower, I'm pretty sure. There's a lot of these at the stores. Guys, also let us know down in the comment section if you got any better deals than what I'm showing you guys now. If you guys have any of these tools, do you like them? Do you don't like them? Let us know so that way we can all share and help out each other. Yes, this is a mechanics tool set. It's $54.98. This is 126 pieces. Now this is pretty decent because it's a big case. It does include a lot of sockets and it's a nice clear case. You can see what's inside. $7.98 for the 42 saw blade, 7¼ circ saw. Or not a circ saw, a reciprocant or circular saw, yeah. And then you got these Tic Tac cases with the bit holder. There's a whole bunch of bits in there, so if you need something compact, this might be the ones for you. And that's the circular saw blade. $13.98 for the mechanics leather gloves, Craftsman, down from $17.97. That's what they look like now with the cold, and you want to have some nice gloves on that. Clear safety glasses, $12.98, down from $19.98. Especially if you have other people in your shop working with you. You got the Versa Stack. This is the Craftsman Versa Stack, $149 down from $169. 3-piece. And then they got the milk crate for just under $20 basically. And that's what it looks like. It looks like it does have an organizer. I don't think that's included, but it's in there. You got a 2-drawer tray stack for $89 down from $99. So not necessarily my favorite, but if you're in it, that's what you have. $54.98 for the Tough Build. That's a good brand, definitely solid brand. Rolling tool bag, $99.98. Just a 14-inch. It's a really, really nice rolling tool bag. Really tough, really beefy wheels. A lot of pockets on this. The only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't protect. I don't think it protects it from the weather. Let us know in the comment section if you own that. I do prefer the plastic. It does, you can throw that on the back of your truck. It could rain, it could dust, whatever, and your tools will be protected. Juice pockets, earbuds, down to $1 or a couple bucks there. You got a toolbox down for I'm not showing you guys the price, but you know, look out for these because they're gonna start going on clearance once they start rolling the new ones in. So all these old ones are gonna start rolling on clearance. I did pick up last year. Last year I picked up one for like around $220 for a 52-inch. That was a killer deal on the clearance. And this is the newer mower. I can't talk today for some reason. 21-inch self-propelled, so they went back to the 21-inch. And this one's the new mower from Cobalt. This is 40-volt max. This is the older one on clearance for $299. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop down even lower. There's a whole bunch of these at stores. The new one comes with the 6 amp hour battery. It is a newer design. It does have the stand-up charger. This one does have the old style charger with the 5 amp hour battery. So I'm pretty sure that new one's going to be a really nice tool. You got a Cobalt 24-volt max 2. It does come with 2 batteries. I don't think you're going to get a lot of runtime out of that one. You would want to buy it if you already in the line, but if you're just gonna buy that, I don't think that's gonna be. This is a killer deal on this one. $99. It does have the rapid load head, 50-minute runtime. So I really want the rapid load head. I'm still waiting for that to drop. I'm kind of cheap on that side, you know. I kind of don't want to spend that much money. That blower is only 350 CFM, so it's for a smaller yard. Yes, it's down to $107 if you got a medium to a small yard. That is the toolkit for you, but I do prefer power. I do prefer power over price. I'm willing to pay a little bit more on power. You got the Low Pro Impact gloves. Got the edge trimmer. This is the 40-volt max Cobalt edge trimmer. All these are on clearance, down to $79. $79.47 from $159. You got the Eagle, obviously expensive. Wait for these to drop. Sometimes you'll find a rare stone or gem hidden somewhere, and that's, you know, if you guys watch my videos from before, I've gotten Eagle mowers, brand new Eagle mowers for around $149. The batteries worth by themselves, so it's rare, but you would see those every now and then on a few loves. Got the Cobalt chainsaw, $90. This is the clearance section here. Got some power tools there to the right. You got the grinders, the Bosch grinder, so it's down to $111. It does have the X lock. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have roll out some new ones for the 2023. You got the circ saw, Cobalt, $55. Hammer drill, Gen 1 hammer drill for $55. You got a Craftsman drill driver, $143, down from $179. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop even lower. That $143 is kind of expensive. Well, it's kind of decent, I guess, for the price. You got this job site radio. I guess they're clearancing this out. It's $129. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll show you guys the new one that they got going on. Well, not the new one, it's just different. So that is the radio. And some of these power tools were on the clearance section. I'm pretty sure you guys could get better deals than this. $69.27 for the reciprocating saw. You got another drill. No price on this one. Still pretty nice tool. And then this one's down $55. Not bad for a hammer drill. You got SDS rotary for $119. Down from $169. Like I said, you guys could probably get better deals on this. That is the Cobalt XTR for $99. Alright, this guy was putting up some power OPE on clearance. They had a whole bunch of, always look out for the center aisles when you're walking in. You're going to start seeing all these stacks of these clearance tools. So make sure you guys take a look at your stores, take a quick peek when you're walking in. This is pretty good, pretty decent deal for $129. This is a solid brand for the DIY. Even if you're doing a lot of projects, that's pretty good. You got the Spider, Stinger spade bit. It's actually, that one's $12, but the Stinger spade bit set, this is a little bit cheaper. This one you got the Dremel, and then you got a charger here on clearance. You got a whole bunch of these. 6220 center for $89. You need an extra charger, maybe for the garage at the job site. And you got some more chargers there. And that is the newer speaker, I guess. That's what they have here. So maybe that might be the new one for $79. It's only the speaker though. It's not like a radio. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy the 5 ampere starter, get your free bare tool. You got a few days on this one to get this one. And same thing with the power detect. You buy a power detect combo and you get a free tool. And then you do have a few days on these to get to, because they're gonna expire on the 4th. You got $7.97 down from $9.98 to 10-inch jigsaw blade. It says metal sandwich. If you guys got some nails in the wood. I got a T-shank jigsaw blade, 8-piece, $11.97. That's pretty nice from Spider. And then you got a double-sided jigsaw kit, and $3.97 for the 2-piece wood T-shank jigsaw blades. I got some Linux diamond hole saws, $27.57 on clearance. There's a whole bunch of these, by the way. I'm just showing you guys a couple. And then you got a 4-piece auger bit, $12.98. These are not on clearance, but it's pretty nice, pretty good price. Got a 3-piece for $14.98. And then we got the Flex. Yes, the Flex are still 50% off. They're probably going to clearance these out. I'm pretty sure they're not going to keep these around. Not a lot of people are buying these. Just some of the stores they are, but like this store was pretty empty. But the next store we're going to go to, they have a whole lot. All right, so this is the second store we're going to go into. I didn't see a lot of deals on the other one, so I might as well just go to another store, right? They got this one down to $12 actually. This is a pretty decent deal. Same thing with this one. High leverage pliers. A 3-pack. And there's a 2-pack 2-in-1 flip pliers. Yeah, you guys, these are reversible. You guys could flip it over and get a different type of plier on the other side. This one's down to $44.98 from $49. It's a 64-piece, 28-piece. And then my other phone's going off. And then you got some sockets. This one's down to $39 from $59 at the 110-piece. 102-piece, my bad. Same as the other one. That's the other store. This one's down to $69 from $79. You guys do see the background. This was a router set. It's a really nice router bit set from Bosch. So you guys do a lot of woodworking. And you got some combination wrenches, 26 down from 29. 20 a piece. Combo wrenches. And then you got $14.98, same as the other store. And then $9.98, same as the other store. Yeah, these, like I said, there's are everywhere. There's a lot of these in every store. You guys do see here, it's almost filled up. There's only like one missing from there. Headlamp, $9.98 from Lux Pro, down from $12.